Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll walk you through using Cryptoguru step by step. First, you have to head to your app store and search for Cryptoguru. Or if you're using an Android, go over to your Play Store and search for Cryptoguru. Download and open the app. Upon opening, choose your language and proceed. You'll be greeted with your virtual balance, including a free $3,000. Click Continue to move forward. Next, you have to claim your daily bonus and explore the shop to find items matching your needs. You can also participate in auctions for unique items. Navigate to the challenges section to earn bonuses by completing tasks. Try your luck with the lucky spin option or claim daily bonuses. In the trading section, view your open positions and execute trades. Explore different marketers and monitor your investments. In the tournament, watch or participate in tournaments, while the Academy offers resources to learn about trading. Lastly, explore your profile section to track your deals, profits, and other statistics. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.